Today we're gonna be doing a quick version, my quick version of a pico de gallo, and we're gonna start with some tomatoes. I diced 3 medium-sized tomatoes and add them to the bowl, right? Then I have half of a medium-sized onion, and again I diced that as well. Now remember, everybody do them pico de gallo for them one way, so this may not necessarily be the authentic Mexican way, but it's the Yardie belly way. Okay, now I'm gonna add a small Persian cucumber or baby cucumber. Yeah, let me get out them something out of this because I don't want nothing waste. Let me get out all of the onion. And as you can see, you know, in order to time management, I prep all of them before. I prep some of this again as I go along. Alright, now in my house, the jalapeno is not too appreciated, you know, so I'm using this one, which is the chopped green chilies. Got it from Aldi, and it is less spicy than the fresh jalapeno. Now in my middle one fresh jalapeno, but you have to work with the family. Yeah, so you know, want the wifey wire you. Alright, grab a spoon for me, grab a little spoon for me, Josh. And then just this can go in all this. Alright, and then I also have some garlic, but I'm using the bottled garlic, you know, because again the garlic sort of strong, and I really want the over strong garlic. Alright, so I'm using some minced garlic. Again, this is from from Aldi stores. Then I'm gonna add 2 stalks of scallions, small stalk of scallions. I'm gonna add my cilantro chopped, and come hold up the camera. Alright, go around right there. Yeah, I'm gonna get out all my ingredients because we don't waste nothing in a foreign. Yeah, you know, sometimes people must share out the ingredients and then left all half of the something in the bowl. I go and let them cute, not cute. Then I'm gonna put some black pepper, fresh ground black pepper. Hold up the camera a little bit now.
Too much of the green stuff.
Go on with your business. And I'm gonna put some salt, some Himalayan pink salt, and I put just a little bit of this mango sauce. Just a little bit of this mango sauce. Again, my pico de gallo sort of different. Alright? And this is the mango sauce I got from Fresh Market, mango coconut pepper sauce. And you just stir, mix up everything. Pico de gallo. Now it might not be pico, it might be pico de jambo, you know, Jamaican version. But yeah, and so as I said, there's no hard and fast way of having it, of making it. You just make it to your liking. At the end of the day, it's supposed to marinate a little bit. Flavors then come together and gel. And then you put it on some taco or some vegetable or with some grilled fish, grilled meat, you know, grilled chicken. Any Mexican, or you can put it on tortilla chips. Yeah, I want to tell you. And this is very, very nice with tortilla chips. I go taste it. You want to taste it, Josh? Why you don't taste it?
Because I don't.
Let me taste it if it want more salt. How it tastes. Want more salt. Alright, so I mix up everything and everything are going good. As a matter of fact, I squeeze in 1 little piece of scotch bonnet pepper in it. But not tell nobody. That's just between me and you. And see, I'm going to squeeze my lime, you know. And this is half of a lime. Yeah. And that's what brings a little tanginess to your dish. And yeah, Pico De Gallo finish. Alright. So I'm showing you the finishing when I put it with, pair it with something. I'll let you guys know what is happening in a little while. Salt and pepper to your taste. And yeah, you're good to go. Pico De Gallo. Yardie Belly's Kitchen. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend and your family and everybody. So here it is that I am putting together a burrito, at least my version of a burrito. I toast the tortilla in the toaster oven for a little bit, and now I'm just adding some cheese. Yeah, by right I'm supposed to put everything over one side. That's how it's going on. Put it over one side, and because it's gonna roll, right? And then because I don't want it to get soggy, I'm gonna put my lettuce down. Put some lettuce down, and the lettuce will be the carrier for the meat. Yeah, I like enough lettuce. Next thing I'm gonna add now are the meat. So now I'm gonna put my chicken with my onion and my celery. My little cooked down chicken. And but oh, I did put some avocados. Put some avocados. Yeah. So I'm gonna put my little chicken now. Cause this burrito now gonna have no rice in it, you know. You know, normally them put burrito with rice. So now I put no rice in it. I mean, I really want a whole heap of gravy because you don't want it to get soggy. Yeah, so piece more chicken. Yeah, make it look decent. Then put some black bean. Because I'm Mexican thing, you know. I put some black bean. The black bean is saying 100. It's so nice. Trust me. I like the black bean. Yeah, man. Oh, this something look. It look very delicious. And the final thing I'm gonna put is my freshly made Pico De Gallo. Yes. Nice. Onions, cilantro, little cucumber. Yeah, I know cucumber not normally in it, but yeah. Watch it. Man, this burrito is gonna be a winning burrito. If me can wrap it. Alright, I come here, hold the camera and I do everything. I'm gonna try to wrap it. If it wrap, I know we see the end result. If it not wrap, this is my take on such a very, very delicious meal. Yeah. This is my take on it. Let me try to move this something out of the way. Yeah, see there? Join me in the kitchen again. Yardie Belly in a foreign. Tex-Mex, Jamaican, Mexican style. Yeah, like, share, subscribe, do everything. And we'll see you again with our next recipe. Remember, I tell you, yeah that.